This is Romeo. He is an instructor at ODU. Romeo has been asked by his department chair to collaborate with CLT in developing an online course. The course is expected to help the department increase its enrollment numbers, and it will help both traditional and non-traditional students in their program to take the course. Romeo agrees. Meanwhile, at CLT, this is Mercutio, an instructional designer at CLT. He is assigned to assist and support Romeo in his journey while developing the online course. In order to accomplish this, Mercutio will be engaging Romeo in an ongoing dialogue so that he can understand the instructor's needs and goals for his course. He can also offer ideas to transition from face-to-face to online. Whether Romeo is a first-time online instructor or a veteran, this discussion will help him overcome any unfamiliarity with the transition and the process. Mercutio can also answer Romeo's questions about online teaching and learning. Mercutio meets with Romeo to discuss the new online course. In their first meeting, Mercutio answers Romeo's list of questions, and he explains and clarifies the online course process, along with their respective roles and expectations. Romeo also gets to know a group of experts, Team CLT, which typically includes an instructional technology specialist, also known as an ITS, a multimedia designer, the MMD, and a graphics designer, the GD. Each member of the team in his or her own way will assist Romeo in creating the online course. During this first meeting, Romeo learns that the course will be developed over 6 months, and these 6 months will be quite busy, so everyone will have to complete their tasks on time. Respecting deadlines is key to the success of the online course development process. During the first 2 months, Romeo and Mercutio will discuss a schedule and a plan for the course's development. In subsequent meetings, they will do what is called analysis and design. This means that Romeo, as the instructor and subject matter expert, will explain his pedagogical goals and practices to Mercutio, and together they will discuss how to transform his course into the new online learning environment. Sometimes they will face a challenge, and Mercutio, along with Team CLT, will use their expertise to identify and offer feasible solutions to overcome it. As a result of this ongoing discussion, Romeo and Mercutio will analyze the course's instructional material and will develop the course structure, which will include course objectives, assessment strategies, and a course outline, among other things. They will also create a prototype for course modules so that everyone will be able to see how the course will look and perform when it is offered to the students. During the next 3 months, Romeo will actively supply Mercutio with instructional materials on a predetermined rotating schedule. These materials may include things like slides and what Romeo will want to tell the students about them. They may also include other forms of presentations, videos and audio files used in class or as homework, images, handouts, rubrics, tests and quizzes, or projects. Whatever is needed to help the students in the online course learn and engage with the material. Most of these materials will be supplied by Romeo. Some, however, may be created in conjunction with Team CLT. As Romeo provides the instructional materials, Mercutio and Team CLT will analyze the content, chunking it into modules and using the best online pedagogical practices. Romeo will provide feedback for each module and will complete quality assurance checklists. This back and forth cycle will continue for each module until the course development is complete. The result will be a course filled with rich content, presented in a variety of ways: text, images, animations, audio, and video, with clear instructions and with engaging and meaningful activities. At month 6, Romeo and Team CLT will begin to wrap up the course development. Mercutio and Romeo will each complete the final reviews and the quality assurance checklist. The course will then be published to Blackboard, and Romeo will make sure that the course is accessible to all students. This is the final step before the course can be offered. As soon as the course is underway, Romeo and his students will be interacting in the exciting world of online learning. Each semester that the course is offered, Romeo will keep a journal to reflect on what worked and what did not work, as well as new ideas that he wants to try out the next time. He can also keep Mercutio updated as the course progresses in order to discuss feedback from students and his own ideas for improvement. As a result of teaching online, Romeo will likely begin to think about how he can add some of these new online materials into his face-to-face course as well. He will begin to see its online teaching persona emerge, and he may even consider that the process of developing this online course was a life-changing experience, a golden opportunity to reflect on his past experiences, his assumptions, and his beliefs about teaching and learning.